the lift at Drovers Way car park in St Albans. Got to 3. Hydraulic. It's got modern Dewhurst and what I believe to be 70s Dewhurst too. Looks like it's got a Thames Valley indicator. We're at 3. We'll go down to 1. Door shut as soon as I press the button. I like that. It's lift-wise. Maybe it used to be lift-wise. Or Otis. It's been modernised by lift-wise, I think. And it's got Otis REM and Windcrest. I don't know which one it's using. Yeah, let's go back up to 3. Here we are up at 3. We'll take it back down to 1. I've got the modern Dewhurst, which is very boring compared to, I think 70s Dewhurst this is. And that's it. Let's do an update on the lift at Drovers Way car park in St Albans. Okay, we're going to have to say no more. Say bye-bye to the old lift-wise. It's being replaced, I think, by Durry Court. I think they're doing St Michael's Road car park as well, although I'm not sure. The sign here. It's going to be, this is when the new lift will be in service. So I'll have to come back at around this date. This is NCP Drovers Way in St Albans. And sadly, the lift-wise here is no more. And that's it. This is the brand new lift at Drovers Way car park in St Albans.
This lift is going up.
See, the shaft lights are on.
Doors closing.
If your numbering's wrong, it should be 1, 2, 3 rather than ground 1 and 2. This used to be a lift-wise lift, but it's now been replaced by Apex with Digital Advanced in 2025.
Floor 2. Doors opening.
Take a look down the shaft.
Doors closing.
Doesn't take long for the hydraulics to charge on the way up, and it's not too bad efficiency wise. So overall, this is
Ground floor.
a not too bad replacement.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
It's a hydraulic lift still.
Floor 2.
Thought they'd make it traction, but they haven't.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Here we are down at ground, and that's it.
Doors opening.
These are the lifts at the Travelodge in St Albans. Got to 4. I think these are some EcoDisc NMX07s built in 2020. Here we are up at 4. To ground. We are at ground, and that's it. This is the lift at Russell Avenue car park in St Albans. As the shaft lights are on. Here's the lift. And we're down to 1. Ooh, the doors sound rough. Maybe used to be Express or Benny. It's been modernised by Concept. Actually replaced by Concept. Not sure, probably, I'm guessing in the 2010s, maybe late 2000s. We are down at 1. And go back up to 4. Yeah, it is Russell Avenue car park. We got 4. And that's it. It's the lift at Marks and Spencer's in St Albans.
This lift is going down. Doors closing.
It's a horrible generic lift. It's hydraulic.
Ground floor.
By the way, the indicator's not flickering in real life.
Doors opening.
Right, 0.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
Ending it when we get to 1. This lift is not very nice at all. Actually, it might be traction. So that started up immediately.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1. And that's
Doors
it.
opening.
This is the lift at Waterstones in St Albans. See up there, those shaft lights are always on. And there's the motor.
Doors are closing. Doors are opening. Doors are closing.
It's used to be an Otis Express Evans hydraulic. It's been replaced by Crest.
Floor 1. The lift will move downwards. Doors are opening. Doors are closing.
It's been replaced by Crest. And this lift does full intelligent levelling, which is very nice.
Ground floor. The lift will move upwards. Doors are opening. Doors are closing.
So for a generic lift, this is very nice. We are back up at 1.
Floor 1. The lift will move.
Let's have a look down the shaft quickly.
Doors are opening.
Back down to
Doors
ground.
are closing.
I think it was replaced in 2021, but I'm not 100% sure. Or 2022.
The lift will move.
And that's it. This is the lift at Boots in St Albans. I think this lift used to be an Evans lift. It's been modernised, not refurbished. Modernised by Oakland Excelsior. And this lift is completely rubbish. It's maintained by Pickerings. Definitely slow on the way down. Not sure if you can see it, but might be able to see the lift moving. And that's it. This is the lift at the museum and gallery in St Albans.
Going down.
That's -1.
Doors closing.
It's Cone EcoDisc MX06, I think. It's built in 2017.
Floor -1.
We are at -1. Oh, double clunk!
Doors opening.
Don't see that very often. Up to 1.
Going up.
Yeah, I think you have to activate the beam sensors for it to do it faster.
Doors closing.
Go back up. Got quite futuristic design, except this is actually quite dim.
First floor.
Be at 1. Double clunk.
Doors opening.
And that's it. This is the lift at Lloyd's Bank in St Albans. It is a very late express lift. I think it's one of their last lifts. Here we are at 1. It's got glass doors. I think it's roped hydraulic. It's hydraulic. takes ages to start, and the second floor is staff only. It's a nice lift. I think it's the best lift in St Albans actually. There's a sign for the pit. Take another trip up to 1 because this lift is epic. There's the serial number. It's not a very long distance that it goes. One more trip back to the ground. Here we are back down at ground. And that's it. A lift at H&M in St Albans.
Going up. Doors closing.
Notice Gen 2. And this lift recalls to the ground floor.
Doors open.
This lift is nice. This is the best bit about Gen 2.
Please select your floor.
Ooh, that's a nice announcement.
Doors closing.
That's the thing I like most about the older Gen 2s.
Ground floor.
See, the doors won't open on the ground floor if you let it recall and then hit 1.
First floor. Doors opening. Ground floor. First floor.
It's a nice lift,
Doors open.
built in 2004. It has a slightly odd capacity.
Please select your floor. Doors closing.
Capacity of this lift is 13 persons, 1,025 kilos. And if you want to get out on the ground floor, you can just press the door open button.
Doors opening.
And that's it. These are the lifts at the Malting shopping centre in St Albans. Main lifts. It used to be 4 lifts, but there's now 3. We're going to go down to -3. I think these might have been some express lifts originally. Been modernised by Titan with Leicester controls, and not to be confused with Titan Range, which were used to be nice lifts, but now boring. And yes, we've skipped ground. That's the busiest floor, and these lifts are very busy. Going straight down to -3. Yes.
-3.
Let's attempt to do the same thing going up to 3.
Doors open. Going up. Please mind the door. Doors
Good job. I think another lift just left, and hopefully
going up.
it's going to stop at ground, so we skip it. Yes!
Floor 3. Doors open.
We are at 3, and that's it. lift
Doors open.
down to platform 4 at St Albans City Station.
Doors closing.
It is it's got Oakland lift, but it's your typical train station lift.
Platform.
It's got the same voice as the lifts at St Pancras Station. It takes ages levelling.
Doors opening.
We'll go back up to the bridge.
Doors closing.
That door close button's really stiff.
Footbridge.
Yeah, footbridge. And that's it.
Doors opening.
Lift going down.
This is the lift at White Company in St Albans. It is a stunner platform lift and it doesn't sound like it's in very good condition. Got its safety edge up there.
First level.
And that's it. There's lifts at Christopher Place in St Albans.
Doors closing.
Lift going up.
Yeah, these are lifts at Christopher Place in St Albans. There's some generic lifts. I think they're roped hydraulic. And there maybe used to be Evans lifts. Modernised by Apollo. Got the Piccadilly line voice. Apart from on -2.
First floor.
Look, the parking prices. Those are insanely expensive. There we go, let's go down to -2.
Doors closing.
Doors close as soon as I press the button. I like that.
Lift going down.
Go down. See those parking prices, that's insane. How expensive that is.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Yeah, it was ground. Going down.
Yes. Doors closing. Lift going down.
Floor -2.
How come? She's in the 5500 international voice, wow. And that's it. The lift in the cathedral is an absolutely horrid Kleeman lift, and in fact, it is my least favourite lift. This lift serves 5 floors, but guess how fast it goes? This lift goes 0.25 metres a second and takes over 1.5 minutes to do the full trip up from basement to 2, even though the floors are quite close together. Even though this lift is so slow, it isn't single speed and still sees the need to level, and it takes ages levelling. This should hopefully show you how this lift is and why I hate this lift, and it is my least favourite lift. The lift at the cathedral in St Albans. We got up to 2. Door close doesn't really work.
Doors closing.
There we go, start moving. Took ages to charge. This lift is a clean lift kit. Was installed by Hoistway in 2018. This lift is so slow for the amount of floors it serves. Look at how many floors that serves, 5. And it goes like 0.25 metres a second, which is ridiculously slow for the height. Anyways, and Hoistway, they say they elevate expectations. Never can they be elevating expectations with this. This lift is absolutely horrid. It's the worst lift in the south of England. We've only potentially got to floor 1 and over a minute has elapsed. So this lift is. Here we are, finally, second
floor.
Here we are, finally, second. And it takes ages to level as well. The only good thing is it has 3 sets of doors.
Doors opening.
And that's it.